Do you know who was the first official poet laureate of England and who became the first woman poet laureate? These are very important facts for DGT, BGT, NET, and SSB English exams. First of all, the term poet laureate means the official poet of a nation or kingdom. The word laureate comes from the laurel wreath, which was used in ancient Greece to honor great poets and scholars. Now, the important names and years you must remember, especially for this upcoming DGT examination. Ben Jonson, the first name in 1616, received a royal pension from King James I. He is considered the earliest poet connected with the laureate tradition. John Dryden next became the first official poet laureate of England in 1668. This is one of the most asked questions in literature exams. Talking about next, we have the name of William Wordsworth, became poet laureate in 1843. Interesting fact, if we know, he accepted the post on the condition that he would not be forced to write official poem. Right, as per the custom, it was required there. Next, we have the name of Alfred Lord Tennyson, became poet laureate in 1850 after Wordsworth's death. He remained laureate for more than 40 years. Now, the most important modern question: who was the first woman poet laureate of Britain? Carol Ann Duffy. In 2009, she was appointed, or she was given this honor of poet laureate. This was a historic moment because for the first time in nearly 350 years, a woman got the post. And one more unique fact: earlier poet laureates in England even received a barrel of wine along with salary. Quick revision: Ben Jonson 1616, John Dryden 1668, Wordsworth 1843, Tennyson 1850, Carol Ann Duffy in 2009. Save this reel for revision and follow English with Rishin for more TGTBG English literature facts. Thank you. Peace.